If you're on the fence about buying a KitchenAid mixer, keep watching because I've been using this KitchenAid mixer for years now and I cannot imagine baking without it. This mixer has 10 different speeds, so you can start very slowly and increase speed as needed depending on what you're mixing together. The motor is very powerful and it stirs consistently every single time. It's really easy to use, and I love that it has this lock feature so that when you're ready to use it, you simply unlock it, tilt the head up so that you can easily put the ingredients in there, put the piece on that actually does the mixing, tilt it back down, lock it, and now you're ready to mix. The stainless steel bowl that comes with it is the perfect size, so whether you're making cookies or preparing dough for bread, it'll fit just about anything you need in there. I can't imagine using any other thing besides this amazing KitchenAid Classic Mixer to bake cookies with. It's durable, it's powerful, it's really easy to use, and it's also super easy to clean. All you need to do is take a wet rag or paper towel and wipe it down when you're done. I would highly recommend getting this KitchenAid Classic Mixer if you are someone like me and loves to bake a lot but doesn't love to stand there and mix by hand or use a hand mixer. This is such a better option. Highly recommend this KitchenAid mixer.